Okay, here we are. This actually went a lot smoother than I thought. So here's the industrial injection silver bullet 62 millimeter installed on a 6.7 liter Cummins. I removed the coolant line from here to here. It goes down and then comes up to here. And I pulled the alternator. I don't think you have to do all that, but just for the sake of getting to everything, I did. I've still got to reconnect all of these lines and stuff like that, but I wanted to show you what the two-piece manifold looked like mounted. I did mount the rear section first, then I rotated it upward. So I mounted it on that bolt there so that it hung tail down. And then I was able to slide the manifold front section in and then rotate the whole assembly down into place. And then I was able to place gaskets after that. So, and again, the dipstick tube down here, I installed on the turbo and then forced it into the hole in the oil pan down there. That was definitely easier than doing it the other way around. As you can see, that motor mount is directly underneath the oil drain mounting flange, so it's really hard to get a socket on that or any sort of wrench actually. So that worked great. I haven't ever mounted an exhaust housing this size, so it might be easier than the original HE351, but I don't know. This went in pretty easy, so I'm not gonna mess with that. That's how I'm doing it from now on. So next is the oil line, which will go from here to here, oil supply. I'll need to attach the coolant line that goes from here, and then it tees from here into here. I'll need to mount this coolant line back to that stud. And again, you don't have to use the one that they supplied you with this kit because it's 6.7. It already has that coolant line that piggybacks off of that rear stud, or that rear bolt. So that's it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and start hooking everything else up. I don't guess anybody wants to see that. So I'll probably go live again once we get this thing ready for the first start.